we have a little something for the mayor. Walter gets one, but it has the bowls on it. Mr. Mayor, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. And I see community ice skating.
This is the community ice rink. We just made our ice here on Monday. We have not even driven a Zamboni on it yet. That will happen later this afternoon.
Every single puck that's been shot on this system is tracked through the software. You'll get put into a category, and I'll be able to see that data. Player will be able to see that data. It's tangible, and we'll be able to create a program accordingly and move them into the gym.
As everyone walked in this building, it said NB Financial, but it also said something very important, community ice rink.
It speaks volumes of the Blackhawks' entire team effort of making sure that not only they make an investment in the team, but they make an investment in the entire city of Chicago